This is a videotape inspection of the 2018 Haas VF2-SS, machine number 40396. The machine is equipped with Haas control, obviously, Renishaw Probe with your tool touch off on the table, Thru Spindle coolant as well, which is a very nice option, $8,000 option from the factory. We'll go ahead and walk around the machine a little bit and then we'll get into running it. So you've got the coolant pan, chip conveyor chute, feet, or your pads, leveling pads. Shot of the side. Go ahead and get a shot of the serial tag. Haas VF2-SS, serial number 1151170, manufacture date 6 of 2018. Go ahead and open up the cabinet, get your shot in there. As you can see, like new, 2018, very low hours, don't expect much clean or dirtiness or anything. Go ahead and come back to the machine. Run it through its paces, shut the doors because of the override. Go ahead and get a tool change going. Do another. We'll go ahead and open the doors and run through the shot or the axes real quick. X. Y. Z. All right, close the doors and get the spindle going. Sorry, I had to delete some programs there. Bear with me. We're going to start it out at 2,000. There's 2,000. $4,000. Sorry, here's 4,000. $6,000. I'll go ahead and take it up to 8 real quick. There's 8,000. This concludes the videotape inspection of the 2018 Haas VF2-SS.